The purpose of this video is to show you how to log into Google Classroom, and I'm also going to show you the basic tools of Google Classroom. In English, we are going to use Google Classroom a lot because it gives us the ability to use a lot of different resources. So the first thing I want to start out with is I want to show you this PowerPoint slide which details each step that you need to take to log into Google Classroom. I'm also going to take you through step by step by using a test student account. So if we take a look at step one, first thing we need to do is open up an internet browser, and we're going to go to classroom.google.com. So if I open up my internet browser, I'm going to go up here in the address. I'm just going to type in classroom.google.com. It's going to take me to a page that looks like this. Once I'm at this page, I'm going to put my mouse over the blue sign in button towards the bottom here. I'm going to click on it, and that takes me to step two. So on the PowerPoint, if you notice step two, this is where we're going to use our email address. Remember, your email address is on page 25 in your agenda, and it's going to be your first three letters of your first name, first four of your last name, 24 at students.meridian223.org. So for example, mine would look like this. Remember that you have to spell everything exactly correct or it won't accept your email address. So my test student is going to look a little bit different. Notice I'm using a 23 here. That's because this student was last year and they're graduating in 2023. You're going to use 24 for your email address. Once I enter my email address, that takes me to step three. Step three, this is where we're entering our password. This is that 24 number, that 24000 number. Again, this is located on page 25 in your student agenda, and you can find it on the line labeled computer password. Now once you log in, your Google Classroom is going to look a little bit different than mine because again, this is a test student. Is you would click on the classroom that says English. So you'd find which one of these on here says English and you just click on it. So if this was English, for example, I'd click on that. This step you don't need to do. I'm going to go to one of last year's classes. Now when you click on a class, it's going to take you to the class page. This is what's known as a stream. And the stream has all the assignments that we post on Google Classroom. Assignments that happen at the beginning of the year are going to be all the way down at the bottom of the page, and the more recent assignments are going to be at the top of the page. So what I want to do now is I want to show you some of the different types of things that you can see in Google Classroom. For example, if I click on Open on this assignment, you're going to notice at the top here I have attached instructions on what to do in this assignment. You're also going to notice there are two attachments here. One thing I really use a lot in Google Classroom is videos. So notice how this is a video and you just click on it and then you click on the play button and it will play. And I use videos a lot just to show you, it's kind of like a tutorial to show you how to do things. Another thing you're going to notice in this type of assignment is another attachment. This one here particularly has articles. This is the article we read for our pre-assessment. You're also going to notice this assignment here has another attachment, and this is a document. Now the thing about assignments, most of the time when I create an assignment, I will create a video that explains how to complete the assignment. It'll also show you how to open the attachments. One last thing I'd like to show you is a Google Form attachment. So for example, if I open this assignment, you're going to notice this is the attachment on this one. I'm going to click on it, and it takes me to a Google Form. This is pretty self-explanatory too. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in class, or don't hesitate to send me an email. Thank you.